Hello, today I'll show you how to use the Paint Format tool in Google Docs. Step 1, select and copy the desired formatting. First, highlight the text that already has the formatting you want to reuse, such as bold, underline, font color, size, etc. Then click the paint roller icon in the toolbar to activate the Paint Format tool. Your cursor will change to indicate that formatting is being copied. Step 2, apply the formatting to other text. Move your cursor to the text you want to format the same way. Click and drag to highlight the new text. When you release the mouse button, the copied formatting will be applied. The Paint Format tool only works for one-time use. After using it once, it will deactivate. To reuse it, repeat step 1 again. If you want to apply the formatting to multiple areas continuously, double-click the Paint Format icon instead of single-clicking it. This will keep the tool active until you turn it off. That's it. Now you know how to quickly and easily match formatting across your Google Docs without manually redoing everything. Thanks for watching and happy editing.